HooplaKidz How To presents Chiki Art! Hi kids, let's begin drawing a lipstick. Draw a rectangle with a slant on one side. A bigger rectangle now. And an even bigger one below. Done! I think we need some nail polish too. Draw a small rectangle. A bigger one with a tapered end. And the brush. Very easy. And now draw a line. This is our mascara wand. Let's quickly give a neat outline. Great! Let's add some fun colors. A pretty pink lipstick, yellow and orange for the tube. Light and dark green too. Awesome! Green for our nail polish. Let's use purple for the bottle. And the center can be in pink. Looks pretty. Yellow and red for our wand. And we're done! Here's our makeup kit. Hope you had fun drawing!